Shares also soaring after hours. What about the turnaround, Selina, seems to be working?
I wouldn't say the turnaround is working quite yet. This is a very volatile stock, and they beat earnings on very low expectations. Sales dropped a whopping 41%. That is a very large amount. It just happens to be less than investors were expecting. They face a lot of structural headwinds, such as a shrinking fitness tracker market, as well as competition. The Apple Watch continues to get better and better with more fitness features, and we also don't see any competition from these cheaper makers in China letting up anytime soon. So yes, this was better than expected, but better than bad expectations.
Apple CEO Tim Cook talked about how the wearable market is such a challenging market, and it's no surprise we've seen players drop out, like Pebble, for example. Talk to us a little bit about the long-term trajectory for Fitbit.
Emily, you're totally right. Even the leader in hardware is saying that wearables is a very difficult space to be in. James Park has said over and over again, the CEO of Fitbit, that his goal is to make wearables a must-have, not a nice-to-have. And we've seen them start to move into that direction with their newest upgrades. They've started to add better analytics, better sleep tracking metrics to get people to actually feel like it's useful to use these devices, not just fun to be able to track how many steps you walked. They are slated to roll out a smartwatch later this year, as well as maybe some other products. There's been reports that they may come out with Bluetooth headphones. And the bright spot for Fitbit here is that though they do have slowing growth, they do still have a massive installed base of users, and a big proportion of them are in fact loyal. So they will probably be likely folks to move on to the smartwatch and purchase those upgraded products.